We just did an awesome shag, real textured cut using a razor. And what we did to get nice glide on the hair while we were cutting is we just used Magic Potion, the original. Really great product to create slide and glide in the hair. It seals split ends and just creates shine. It's a great base and prime in order to even out the porosity so that I can comb through and detangle the hair. So now that all the layers are in, I'm going to use a new product called Magic Potion Levitate. And it's a mousse gelée. And we're gonna just spray this in. Gonna have a lot of fun spraying this in. Close your eyes. Ooh, drama.